Welcome to this stunning luxury home with breathtaking lagoon views and an array of high-end features that define modern elegance. The private backyard is a true oasis, boasting a sparkling pool, pergola, outdoor kitchen and expansive screened porch perfect for outdoor entertaining. Inside, the open floor plan flows seamlessly, showcasing an updated gourmet kitchen designed for the chef in you, complete with top-of-the-line appliances, including the gas stove and pot filler installed in the beautiful quartz backsplash. The main floor features 4 spacious bedrooms and 3 beautifully updated bathrooms, including the large primary suite with a spa-like bathroom and an extraordinary walk-in shower. Upstairs, the large bonus room, which can serve as a 5th bedroom, offers a walk-in closet and full bathroom, providing endless possibilities. This home combines luxury, comfort,